Let's tackle New York City with my VOCiC D71 folding mobility scooter. Sidewalks can be chaotic, but this scooter handled them like a champ. Cobblestones, cracks, even curbs. It didn't slow me down. I felt steady and confident no matter where I drove it. Let's talk about power. I was gone for 10 hours a day, all on one charge. Public transportation? No problem. I adore art museums, and this scooter is a game changer for me. I didn't have to limit myself to the easy-to-get-to exhibits, but I could spend hours in the museum, going from exhibit hall to exhibit hall. And when I was done with museums, it was back outside to adventure some more. Oh, the sights to see, from the Rockettes on the street to Bryant Park Christmas Village. Oh, and pizza. Don't forget pizza. This zippy little machine made such an ambitious and busy trip doable. We handled all kinds of buildings, surfaces, and even when there were no ramps or elevators, it was light enough so that my husband or my daughter could even carry it up the steps. After 4 action-packed days, it was goodbye to New York, but hello to many more travels with my folding scooter.